Oh, hi there, everyone. Join me for the best turkey wing in pumpkin sauce.
What's up, my family and friends? I am so happy that you're able to join me. This is your Jamaican girl, Norlene.
All right, family and friends, so now waste no time in the kitchen today. My done season allow my turkey wings to marinate, guys, and now I am frying them. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm doing a shallow fry, guys, because I don't like my meat to be too greasy. So I'm gonna cover it down, guys. Look at it. It come to a fry, and guys, this is how it looks. So I'm simply turning them over, and then I'm gonna add to that some chicken stock, cover it, and allow it to cook for about 45 minutes. Now, while that is cooking, let me pause to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. I also want to wish happy birthday, happy anniversary to all my viewers and subscribers. Know that Wim sees, loves, and appreciate you. If you are a new viewer, please hit that like button, turn on your post notification. Be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Share my channel with your friends and invite them to subscribe. You can also follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen. All right, family and friends, after 35 minutes of cooking, I go ahead to saute some pumpkin in coconut oil. Afterwards, I add to that my cooked turkey wings. Afterwards, I will then add to that some garlic and onions, and I will add some vegetable stock to this, cover, and allow to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. You don't know, family and friends, please remember hit that like button, leave your comment, and if you're watching and you haven't subscribed as yet, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much. All right, family and friends, so the sauce has reduced nicely. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water, about a quarter cup to this, and then I will grab my herbs and season to nice up the pot. While I'm doing this, I will share with you the food for thought. I want you to know that doing good can only come from a place of having a close relationship with God. So Paul in Galatians 6 verse 9 reminds us that our reward will come. So continue to do good. All right, Wim's family, I will add about a tablespoon of mixed dried and powdered seasoning. I will then add to that some assorted bell peppers and tomatoes, guys. I'm just gonna stir this in. I'm gonna taste for salt and pepper and add as desired. Cover and allow to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. Thank you for spending the time in the kitchen with me. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. It was my pleasure doing for you turkey wings in pumpkin sauce. No more whimsical, family. Me I go pure this with one slice of yam and one dumpling, guys. And trust me, I know you like the time that you spent in the kitchen with me. Why not give me some thumbs up? Of course, leave your comment, share your thoughts about this video, or suggest any other meals that you'd like to see me prepare. No, guys, me just go in at this phone and see how nice, good, and delicious this is. Just look at that rich, creamy pumpkin sauce, guys, and it goes so well with my dumpling and yam. I'll see you next week, guys. Love, 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 love. Mwah, love you. I'll see you next week. Please give me some thumbs up, leave your comment. Of course, go on to my other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and follow me, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you next week, guys.